Hello everybody. I thought I would just get on here real quick to show you how to set your video or your privacy settings from private to public and vice versa. Anyhow, I'm also going to link a video in the description box. Hopefully that's where it will go. But from somebody who has like a 1-minute video that walks you through it. Mine is going to be a little bit different because I have an actual channel now, so I'm going to do my very best to guide you through this. So I know first step is open a web browser. Once you get that open, go to your YouTube channel that you have. It's your subscription, and then up here where you'll see your little icon, you may have a photo in there. If not, you can put one in there, but I have mine there. So I'm going to click onto that. Now once you click onto that, it'll come down here and open up settings for you. That's where you're going to click. I have to go there first because I have a channel, so I'll be right back. Give me 1 sec. And let's see oops, and there's my sofa. And here, I'll let you look at my puppy while I'm doing this. She's just taking a little nap. So once you get your settings opened up, you're going to look for the privacy. And again, mine's going to look a little bit different because I have the channel now that I'm working with. So see where it says keep all my subscriptions private, keep all my save lists private. You're going to see those two things together. And my screen is set to dark mode. So this is generally, if it's not set to dark mode, it's a blue or white. So if this is blue, that means it's on, and that means your subscriptions are private. Nobody can see them, not even the channels that you subscribe to, from what I understand and what I've been reading. So I'm going to turn it off. And now everyone that I subscribe to, they can see that. So when I comment or I'm subscribing to them, it's going to pop up and it's going to generate something. So that's what you need to do if you choose to take it from the private mode and put it into a public mode so that people can see it. Again, I'm going to link the video that I watched to help you out so that you can have a better tutorial on how to do that. And it's only 1 minute. I'm already twice that amount of time. All right, well, see you later, and sorry for that little dizzy dip down I just did. Have a great day.